In this video, I'll show you how to create multiple wallets on Trust Wallet using just one app. First, open Trust Wallet on your phone. On the bottom menu, tap Settings, then tap Wallets. Here you'll see your current main wallet. This is also where you can add and manage extra wallets. To create a new wallet, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Choose Create New Wallet, then select Multi-Coin Wallet so it supports popular tokens like BTC, ETH, BNB, and more. Trust Wallet will now show you a new 12-word recovery phrase. Write this phrase down on paper and keep it somewhere safe. Check the box to confirm you understand you'll lose access without it, then tap Continue and confirm the words in the correct order. After that, your second wallet will be created. You can repeat the same steps to create more wallets. Or choose Import if you want to bring in an existing recovery phrase from another device or app. To switch between wallets, go back to Settings Arrow Wallets, tap the wallet name you want, and it will become active. You can also rename each wallet to things like Main, Trading, or Savings to stay organized. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.